I follow the one line strategy and it
Wow.
worked like wonders. So
Wow.
I think that was the best thing I did. Followed each and every step which the tutors have mentioned. I did remember the template. I think
Mhm.
that helped tremendously. 100%. I think mock tests are really important for me, considering my timeline was limited. So
That's
I
right.
followed the exact schedule,
Mhm.
did the exact number of repeats, and then they said, okay,
Mhm.
20 is not enough. Go for
Yeah.
40, go for 50. So I went for 50
Mhm.
just to maintain the fluency. I think the entire platform has been arranged so well
Mhm.
that one would actually get such high scores. It's not that difficult, to be honest.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. What a great day! PT Core, CLB 10, overall 19 PT Core, listening's 90, reading's 90, speaking's 90, writing is 89. Congratulations, Pragyan. Very well done. Amazing score.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You have studied online with us, and this is one of the best scores I've ever seen. What is the key behind this? What did you do which others can do as well to get this score, please?
The first thing they can do is join LA Academy. The best, I would say, the coaching, English coaching academy ever to be launched. I have religiously attended all the lectures
Mm-hmm.
and followed each and every step which the tutors have mentioned.
Mm-hmm.
The best part is they have been very helpful throughout the entire process. Like you WhatsApp them, they
Mm-hmm.
would respond you. You send them your test scores. They would respond you with the feedback. Those things have helped me tremendously. And they would actually tell me where my weaknesses are because I think that is what is important to know
That's
where I'm lacking.
mm-hmm.
And they understand that I needed high scores, and they made sure that I actually am working hard to get those scores.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the best part. And I think the entire coaching, the platform has been arranged so well
Mm-hmm.
that one would actually get such high scores. It's not that difficult, to be honest.
That's
Because
right.
everything has been given as it should be.
That's right. So it's basically following a procedure, following the standards, and then asking for feedback. That is what I believe is the most important thing when it comes to getting this course CLB 10. It's very important to get feedback because many a times we think we are doing it the right way, but it is not actually the right way. That is where feedback is important. So you have studied online with us. There are many students who are studying online who are preparing for the PT core test. Any particular strategies which you use in speaking or in writing? Because writing an email is something which a lot of students are scared about. Any particular strategies you used in speaking and writing which others can use as well?
So honestly, I follow the one line strategy and it
Wow.
worked like wonders. So
Wow.
I think that was the best thing I did to
Mm-hmm.
follow the one line strategy. And I stuck to the word limit
Mm-hmm.
in everything. I made sure I'm just speaking 10 words. That's it. So 10 was there. And then for emails, as you mentioned,
Mm-hmm.
yes, I did remember the template. I think
Mm-hmm.
that helped tremendously. So when I knew that this is the email they're asking and this is the, context. So
Mm-hmm.
I instantly thought, okay, this is the template I'm going to use. And 100 is my word limit. I'm not going to cross, not even 101.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that is what helped me. And exactly remember the template. Maintaining the fluency, vocabulary is important. If
That's
that
right.
is something, touch wood, that was not my challenge. My challenge was I used to either speak too fast
Mm-hmm.
or just, fumble because the template wasn't ready in my mind. I think that's what the feedback comes into picture. So they helped me with the
That's
right template.
That's right. That's 100% correct. As you have seen, one line strategy in read aloud, and the best thing which I liked over here is that she told that she was following what she was asked to. It's not that if we have told you should be reading around 10, 12 words and you're reading 15 words. Strategies will 120% work. Templates in email will 100% work if you follow the right way. It's not the template, it's not the strategy which will get you the scores, but how you use the template. If you use them the right way, 100% success is going to be yours. Any other tips, any advice which other students should follow? And how about the mock test? What kind of mock test did you take, and how important are mock tests for getting a score like this?
Yeah, 100%. I think mock tests are really important for me, considering my timeline was limited. So I
Mm-hmm.
could only take one mock test, and
Wow.
my tutors were fine with that.
Mm-hmm.
But then they gave me a proper schedule to follow.
Yeah.
So they gave me, okay, these many, read aloud,
Yeah.
these many repeat sentences, or these many emails. You have to do it every day. And
Okay.
I actually followed that religiously because that was my only goal, is to score CLB 9 and
That's
above.
right. That's
So I
right.
followed the exact schedule,
Mm-hmm.
did the exact number of repeats, and then they said, okay,
Mm-hmm.
20 is not enough, go for
Yeah.
40, go for 50. So I went for 50,
Mm-hmm.
just to maintain the fluency. So I think the schedule which they gave me, it actually worked like magic, I would say.
That's completely right. See, what I believe, what is the reason behind your success is that you actually followed what we have researched upon and
Yeah.
what we have curated over the number of years. It's very important you follow the strategies. It's very important you practice, but practicing the right way under the right guidance in the right direction is something which will help you get this score in your PT test. Congratulations once again and
Thank
very
you
well
so much,
done.
sir.
Super proud.
Thank you. Thank you
Guys,
so
remember,
much.
guys, remember this thing. If she has done it 90 in all the modules, CLB 10, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. Just keep it easy, keep it simple, give your 100%, work hard plus work smart in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. PT Core CLB 10 score is possible with templates, with strategies if you follow the right way. That's it from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.